Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you JBL Tune 520BT versus JBL Tune 670NC. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, talk about design. The 520 provide on-ear lightweight design and 670 provide over-ear lightweight design. So 670 is more comfortable. Now let's look at the build quality. The 520 provided plastic build foldable design and 670 provided plastic build foldable design, so both are equal. Now let's look at the noise cancellation. No, this feature is not available on 520. And yes, active noise cancellation feature available on 670. So 670 is better. Now let's look at the audio driver size. 520 provided 33 mm audio driver size and 670 provided 40 mm driver size. So 670 is better. Now let's look at the Bluetooth version. 5.3 Bluetooth version is provided by all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the battery life playback. 520 provided 57 hours no ANC battery life and 670 provided 44 hours 50 hours for without ANC. So 520 is better for longer battery. Now let's look at the charging time. The charging time of 520BT is 2 hours via USB-C, and this is also the charging time of 670, so both are equal. Now let's look at the microphone quality. The microphone quality of 520BT is single mic for calls and 670 NC dual mics for better calls clarity. So 670 is better. Now let's look at the multi-device pairing. Now this feature is not available on 520, and yes, this feature is available on 670, so 670 is better. Now let's look at the weight. The weight of 520BT is 160 gram and the weight of 670 NC is 180 grams, so 520BT is lighter. Now let's look at the app support. 520BT, yes, via JBL headphones app is available on all two devices, so both are equal. And in the last, let's look at the price range. The price range of 520BT is $50 to 70 and 670 NC. Price range is $70 to $100. So 520BT is more affordable for budget-friendly users. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.